This program is to demonstrate finding a string inside another string. We have the string right here. We find the string random and reverse it. Find the string random and reverse it. You will find string and string and string. We don't reverse the as just a string. Okay, this is where the string that we are finding. That's the string, and then the string we are finding is right here, random. And here we are finding just string, not including the s. Just a string, not including the s, just to demonstrate everything. Okay, here we are finding the string. While we find the string here, we reverse it. So let's demonstrate string here. So we have basic string functions: assign, reverse range, and here we have find. Okay, first we need the length of the main string that we are finding, and that's the string we are looking through. The length 2 is the string. It's the length of the string that we are searching for. Okay, for each character in the main string, we have a loop. We go to this character right here, and we have the loop. The loop is to search for random, for the size of random. Okay, while j is less than the length of the second string, and j does not go over so if we are searching right here, we don't want to go over the boundary of the string, of the main string. So while j, if is this on R? No, it's not on R. So we break if it's not the character 2 we're looking for, like we are looking for the string. If it's not the character we're looking for right here, if the string data.I plus j is not equal j, then we break. So we have the first loop, and then inside the second loop, if we don't find the string we're looking for, we break until we get to this one. It's an R, yes. It's an A, N, D, O, M. If we get to the entire string and don't have an error, like is j equal length, if we get to the entire string, then we have it and we return the position. Here at the end, that's an error right here. If we have an error, like we reach the entire end of the string without finding anything, we have to return -1. The reason we return -1 is just so that if we are searching for random and random was right here at zero position, then returning at zero would equal a good thing. It wouldn't be an error. So we have to return -1 just to make sure it's not just to indicate that we have an error. Otherwise, yeah, 0 is correct, and any number other than -1 is correct. So it's pretty simple right here. Just go through, just from the start of the string, do a loop until 5 characters long, until for each character 5 characters over, until we find one that matches the string we're looking for, like right here. And we just keep a loop of the number of characters until we find the one that we're looking for. 6 characters until we find the one that we're looking for. If we don't find it, we break. So this is the result. We find the character string. Once we find it, we reverse it, and then we keep going until we find string again, reverse it, until we find string again, reverse it. The method of finding string right here is not really perfect, but it works well enough. While the position is not -1, is more or equal than 0. Well, we could make it not -1, that would be the same thing. Reverse the string at the position we are given by the length of the string we are searching for. And then we increment 1 here, because if we didn't increment 1 here, then we'll just keep searching. If we are searching for string right here and we found it, we'll be searching right here again and we'll return 0, then we search it again and return 0, and we'll just keep returning the same position again and again. So it's very important to increment so that we can start at the next position. Otherwise, we just keep doing the same, looking for the same thing again and again and again. And that also wouldn't be good. That's why we increment the I right here, just to make sure that we start at the T right here. Otherwise, we'd have problems. Just remember to do that. That's it.